Oh no!
Hi, these are our adventures in Khaudum. If you like it, please like and subscribe. This is the town of Sulkwe, just before we turn off to go to Khaudum. And we're all fueling up before we go into Khaudum National Park. We're entering Khaudum National Park, a bit more remote, no fences. Look at the warthogs running around.
You can. Canopy is right hand side of that first green tree. Yeah. Yep. Really? Can you see the baby in there? In the middle of this group on the left, there's a tiny little one. Yeah, I see that. The first thing he'll do is he'll go and sit on his ass and then he'll roll around. Because you see his trunk is all over the place. They take them 6 months to use their trunk. At your position, look behind to the right of the first big green tree, about 2 kilometers out. There's another 20 or 30 elephants coming. It's a bit of a noise, isn't it? Daughters, mothers, sisters and juveniles. No bulls in wilderness. No, the bulls will move separate. The big bull, the one close, those 2 big bulls closest to they will move separate from the herd unless there's a female in estrus. Yeah, so they'll mate and they'll move off. At a waterhole.
Cheers, guys.
Yeah.
We are camping in a tent, luxurious tent.
45 degrees.
It's bloody hot and we're in the middle of nowhere. And there is Mavis. Breakfast on the pool deck in Khaudum National Park. And some road antelopes. You can see the damage to the vegetation by the elephants. Some elephants over there. And we're having some sundowners. What a place to celebrate Tony's birthday. There's lions over there. Tony's birthday, we're having drinks and there's lions right here. Kudu doe.
I'll walk into the sun, they won't like it. No, not in the mood. Just about to hit it.
Virtual starlings or glossy starlings. Are you videoing? Yep.
Oh, no prisoners. There we go. And stop. Perfect.
Call me a capable woman.
Hey, what an expert, capable wife I have. Forward driving is tick. Just had another vehicle snatch strapped out of here. They're all catching up, and that's sort of what's to be anticipated the next hour or so. Oh no!
He doesn't make a good much job, but...
Oh.
You have to do the rear.
So not a good day for getting bogged.
Got one car off the road, and we just got Alan out of the ditch.
Only 4 more cars to get through then.
A new Ava's car was coming towards us, and he tried to get off the road and he got stuck. So Bertie went around to try and rescue that one, and then Bertie got stuck.
Facing the wrong way.
Alan then went to rescue Bertie, and then Alan got stuck. Bertie's trying to Alan out. Don't forget to subscribe, because next I'm going to do a video on the endangered painted dogs. And don't forget to comment below with some stories if you've been to Khaudum.